Investigational New Drug IND. Introduction. IND, Investigational New Drug. An investigational new drug IND is a submission to Food and Drug Administration FDA requesting permission to initiate a clinical study of new drug product. Clinical study involves research using human volunteers to study new tests, treatments, and evaluate their effect on human health. Regulation or primarily at 21 CFR 312. CFR means Code of Federal Regulation. It contains 50 title. In title number 21, part 312 contains information about investigational new drug regulation. During a new drug early preclinical development, the primary goal is to determine if the product is reasonably safe for initial use in human. The manufacturer focuses on collecting the data and information necessary to establish that the product will not expose humans to unreasonable risk. Types of investigation new drugs. First, investigator INDs. Second, emergency use IND. Third, treatment IND. Investigator IND. An investigator IND is submitted by a physician who both initiates and conducts investigation. A physician might submit a research IND investigational new drug to propose studying an unapproved drug or an approved drug for new indication or in a new patient. Emergency use investigational new drug. This investigational new drug IND allows the Food and Drug Administration FDA to authorize use of an experimental drug in an emergency situation that does not allow time for submission of an investigational new drug IND. Treatment investigation new drug, also known as expanded access investigation new drug. This investigation new drug may be submitted for experimental drugs showing promise in clinical testing of serious and immediately life-threatening condition while the final clinical work is conducted and the Food and Drug Administration review takes place. There are two investigation new drug categories. First, commercial. It permits manufacturer to collect data on clinical safety and effectiveness needed for manufacturer for marketing. Second, non-commercial or research. Permits the manufacturer to use drug in research to obtain advanced scientific knowledge of new drug and there is no plan to market the product. Investigation new drug application. The application must contain information in three broad areas. First, animal pharmacology and toxicology studies. Adequate information about pharmacological and toxicological studies of the drug involving laboratory animals or in vitro, on the basis of which the manufacturer has concluded that it is reasonable safe to conduct the proposed clinical investigations. Second, manufacturing information. This information contains composition, manufacturer, stability, and controls used for manufacturing the drug substance and drug product. Third, clinical protocol and investigator information. It contained detailed protocols for proposed clinical studies to assess whether the initial phase trials will expose subjects to unnecessary risk for humans. And it also contained information about qualification of clinical investigators. Investigation new drug chart. Applicant or manufacturer or drug sponsor submit investigation new drug and it is reviewed by CDER, Center for Drug Evaluation and Research. CDER performs an essential public health task by making sure that safe and effective drugs are available to improve the health of people. The CDER review about medical, chemical, pharmacology or toxicology and statistical data. They will review whether the product is safe or not. Safety acceptable for study to proceeded. If it is accepted, then the review is completed. If it is not accepted, clinical hold decision. Then the sponsor is notified. If the sponsor is notified, then they have to submit a new data for the acceptance. Now the review is completed and it is accepted. No deficiency and the study can start. If it is not accepted, then the sponsor is notified of deficiency. The sponsor has to clarify that the drug is acceptable and safe for humans. Then the study can start. Conclusion. The manufacturer must wait 30 days before initiating any clinical trial. During this time, Food and Drug Administration has an opportunity to review the IND for safety. After 30 days, if the sponsor has not heard anything from FDA, then the clinical trial may be started.